Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
This is why mina ngisupporta lento ye-match and match and ukuthi mabahambe. Yabo khathi ngina-16 ngangihlala lapha ngase-Playhouse. Khona nje i-flat lapho ngase-Playhouse ngangihlala kulona. Bokuba i-Playhouse kube yilona le flat ngangihlala kulona. Manje wakhona lo bhuti lona owase-Nigeria. Wayevamise ukuthi ahleze ngibingelela. Nganganaki mina ngangicabanga nje ukuthi yabona ke very nice nje ubhuti nje obingelela nje enye nje ingane yabo. And futhi waye nice othi nje unjani yabo sinjani isikole nginganaki nami hayi nawe isikole si-right ngiyabonga ngiqhubekele maybe ngesikoleni maybe ngiyohlangana nabangani maybe ngiye-bed center ngiyobuka abantu bekrampa ngiziqhubekele nje nempilo yami. And then ke na kwahamba isikhathi lokho sometimes abuya nginikeze maybe u5 rand athi nanku u5 rand uthenga usweet kuyashisa nanku u10 rand uthenga iMcFlurry yabo nje izinto ezinjalo makuyi weekend maybe na u10 rand ngoba uyospend isikhathi nabangani bakho yabo nje into enjalo ngithi hawu ngiyabonga nginganaki nje ukuthi hayi ubhuti nje onice and into nje normal. Yebo nganginayo idea of abantu abangaphandle but nganganayo really ngaleyo ndlela i-idea abantu abangaphandle but kwathi isikhathi sihamba ngihlala eThekwini nga-understand ukuthi okhona ama-Nigerian yabona yonke leyo nto. Hayi ngibonga ngithi hayi ngiyabonga yabonga ngiqhubeke nempilo nginganaki yabona nginganaki lutho. Kwathi kwahamba isikhathi imali yaqala isibahaya. Aqala senginikeza imali efuna unginikeza imali engango 100 rand, imali engango 500 ngoba la one time afika no 500 rand. Ngangise ngidecline ke le mali le enkulu yabo leyo nto ngithi hayibo angahlupheki phela. Manje ke khaze ngihlala ePlayhouse ngangihlala nosisi wami omdala, ngangihlala nosisi wami wayifunda eDemeleni and then kube yimina. Sasamantombazane kuphela. And the reason sahlala kanje samantombazane kuphela is because abadala bami bashona kasi sabancane so samomdala wayesinakekela wayesebenza eThekwini municipality khona lapho ngase kule amgaqo lo lapho ngase-Playhouse. So sometimes banosisi wami sinosisi wami sasike sixabane yabo lo uyi-teenager lo muntu use-university and nosisi omdala naye waye kwama-early 20s naye she wasn't like grown. So naye nje wasafana ukuphila ubusha bakhe but at the same time efuna ukuthi singabi intertwined kwezinto ezibhedayo yabo leyo nto. So sometimes sasibuye sixabane yabo and one day saxabana where khona I think sasilwa or something like that yabo and then kwafika ama-security and ama-security ethi masehlisa umsindo yabo and I think ke wathola ke lo bhuti lo i-Nigerian ukuthi mina sinosami kade sixabana silwana yonke leyo nto and yena ke le ndoda lena yathi hawu kurong ukuthi usisi wakho akutreat kanjena afuna elokhu elwisana nawe unenhliziyo enhle kanjena une-bright future kanjena mina woza ngine-idea wozohlala nami uzohlala yazi Royal Hotel le eseThekwini le ngase opposite workshop yeah and then watheni uzokuthola I think yayisayinhle ngaleso sikhathi mangicabanga watheni uzokuthola nje indawo i-room uhlala lapha e-Royal Hotel noma nje ngithole indawo yakho uhlale wedwa ungalokhu stress osisi wakho mina ngabe concentrate on school but you're busy concentrating on what she's doing nje nenhliziyo enhle ingane enhle ku-role yakhe wenzayo yabo ngithi mina hayi no akulungile no yabo wambona washintsha waye ungafuna ukuthatha usizo lami ngathi mina hayi cha no usisi wami ngiyamthanda yaseyaxabana but hayi yabo athene athi ngwaphela ufuna la understand ukuthi sasesikoleni wena nami nganginoqhwi nami ngisayingane yabo can you imagine i-teenager iyeyisi teenager yabo leyo nto and fine ke and then ngithi mina hayi no it's fine okay fine wafika again efuna unginikeza imali eningana like imali engango maybe u500 to 600 mina cha ngidecline athi yini manje usidecline imali yami why manje udecline imali yami imali yami is it not good for you ngithi mina hayibo mina bengathumela ngihlezi ngi-accept mina ngizonikeza ukuthi ngithenge iMcFlurry ngithenge osweet isiqeda not something so serious athi yene manje yini ke ungafuna ukwehlisa imali yami ngithi mina nje no it's too much wathi okay makuthi konke lokho is too much ke nale mali angikunikeza yona ngiyayifuna back ngithi mina how athi ngifuna back yonke le mali engikunikeza yona ngithi mina hawu Nkosi yami kuthapi naleyo mali ngaqala ngasaba eshouta nebase yakhe yabona ne-accent yakhe siphuma yabo mo angisana mina ngase Hammersdale mina yabona mangihlala khona eThekwini but nje I'm from nje yabo and wabhiza selokhe ebhonga ngevoice lakhe elikhulu athi you give me back my money, you give me back my money. Uyabo leyo nto ngathi mina hayi anginayo mina leyo mali ngisaba, but nje yabona mina nginenkani yabo. Ngathi mina hayi yabo sengine anxiety nje makumele maybe ngihambe ngiye esitolo, maybe ngiye Spar ngiyothenga isinkwa, or kumele ngihambe ngiye bed center nje makumele nje ngihambe nje yabona nje ngibe ingane nje etown ngisaba ukuthi njalo mangihlangana naye unginikeza i-anxiety nje, uyangiconfronta, uyangishouta nje yabo ufuna imali. Manje abantu babebuka abacawusi le ngane maybe yini idla ama-drugs, uyayibona leyo nto. Hayi yabona nje sengine-anxiety, but ngangamtshela usisi wami, ngangabazisa, and I don't know why nami ngazange ngimtshela usama omdala yabo. Usama omdala mina was very protective, and why shout mfishane, but uyathetha uyabo. And but I didn't tell her because nami is also because strict and ngangisaba yabo ukuthi nami ngenza into wrong. Hayi kwahamba isikhathi ngahlangana naye one time wathi uyayazi iplan engangikhokhela ngayo imali yakhe. Ngathi mina okay, wathi yabona manje as njengoba nje foreigner kuve kunzima ukuthi business yakhe irane kahle South Africa. Ngathi mina okay, wathi manje government ayive imean to abantu bangaphandle, so if nje ngamenzela ifavor because mangabe wathi ngineminyaka emingaki manje, ngathi I think anginaso 17 at that time. Ngathi mina bese wathi yena maybe mangabe usufika ku-18 yabo mangase ungishade angifune lutho ngizokhokhela i-school fees sakho, ngizokunakekela, angifune lutho nje, and then nje just ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngirane kahle ibhizinisi yami yabo nje kumanipulate ekhuluma kanjalo. Ngathi mina hayi ngeke ngikushade, hayi ngeke. Wayimali afika futhi again mind you ufike ngesihle this time ngoba sekucabangele le idea. Ngathi mina no waqala futhi wabeyibhubisa again, wathi awufuna ukungisiza, awufuna ukukhokhela imali, kanti what about women are you, yabazi mos babekhuluma kanjani. Ngathi mina mind you uthi what type of woman are you, angisiye ngisho woman mina ngina 17 baze lapho kube yi-woman yibo, angisahlosa nokuhlosa. Hayi ke wangishouta. Ngathi mina yeye ngabona nje ngihle nje kunaleyo anxiety. One time wangi-invite ukuthi mangihambe ngiyobona indlu yakhe, une-present for mina endlini yakhe, nga-decline ukuthi ngibone indlu yakhe. Wadinwa nangalapho nje yabo nje sengihle nje ngine-stress emahlombeni, and khathi nje even engicela naloko ngangibona ukuthi yabo nje lo uzongidlwengula lapha kuleya ndlu, ngangisaba ukuthi uzongidlwengula. And nje ngiyambonga nje uNkulunkulu ukuthi I was very stubborn, as much as ukuthi ngisholela abazali ngimncane yabona ufide off lezo zinto lezo, wafida off yabo. Nginganaki umsakade ukuthi mayibuza izinto nje mina uthi umuntu nje nice, kanti umuntu okhohlakela ubuza izinto ukuthi angimanipulate ngazo ngokuhamba kwesikhathi. Ngiyabonga ukuthi angimanipulate kanga ukuthi ngangumuntu nje vele stubborn yabo, and ukuthi even noma ngangisaba angizange ngize ngibheke down, ngangisho ukuthi hayi cha, ngithi we yabo, even noma sometimes ngangize ngikhale ngithi anginayo leyo mali. And futhi mangathi futhi ucalculate futhi even imali like maybe even 400 rand, maybe 10 rand lapho 10 rand, but uyabona ifuna 47 ngoba ngathi leni wayilike o47 ingane ena 16 kulula ukuthi uyidominate leyo ngane yabo ngevoice lakho yabo yonke leyo nto. Nami mina ngiyavumelana nalento ukuthi yena mabahambe vele, because zingakanani ingane ezinganayo maybe inkani or i-confidence njengoba mina nganginayo. Zingakanani ingane maybe eziqhamuka from ama-house are-broken, la khona maybe umama weyisidakwa, ubaba maybe ukanjena, or maybe nazazi nabo abazali bafike bazimanipulate, bafike ngesihle, bayikhokhe ngemali. One thing you know, next thing you know, ingane bayifake kwi-trap kanje. Zingakanani ingane ezingakwazi ukuthi zizitshele izistory because azisurvivanga kuleyo situation, because maybe ungazwa lesi story uthi hayi kodwa nawe wawungacabanga ingane like la ngina 16 yabo leyo nto, and awunayi utshoje ukuthi umuntu nje oba nice yabo leyo nto, just a normal person. Awucabangi wena ukuthi lo muntu kanti ukhohlakele une-agenda ayiplothayo ayiplanayo. Mind you lento wayenza in months uyaplotha kanti uyaplana ukuthi egcineni uzozama ukuthi angimanipulate ukuthi ngimshade, or egcineni uyabona ukuthi sihlala sodwa uzosebenzisa maybe sometimes nje ngikhuluma no my mom passed away nginganaki, uyazi usebenzisa lezo zinto lezo uyabo leyo nto. So mina ngiyayisupporta mina ukuthi mabahambe, ngiyasupport ukuthi abantu aba-undocumented mabaphume vele, because iningi labo abazile ngesihle and iningi labo ziningi iy'ngane esebezithikhile njengamanje khona maybe ezinye engasekho nokuba khona emhlabeni because mina ngangizokwenzani kuleya yindlu leyana ngihlala ngedwa nje wayizwa ngisesikoleni ngaze ngisesikoleni ngangizobe i-toys lakhe. Can you imagine? Jehovah.
This lady right here decided to take to social media to share why she stand with Much and Much, why she support Much and Much so much. And she explained a very heartbreaking story, which really touched me and had me sitting down asking myself, how can a grown up man try to do such a thing on a small girl, on a young lady? And I just feel like the moment he started giving her money, unfortunately, it's because she was still young. So obviously she couldn't know better or would know, man, something is off here. This man have got an agenda. That's why he is giving her money. And he knew, even if it was 400, he knew by that time that she couldn't pay back that money. And I cannot imagine, guys, marrying this old man. Yes, because obviously legally you will be married. Marrying this old man when you are still young, you don't even understand anything. And such people, they make it very difficult for you to even divorce them so that you move on with your life. They make it very, very difficult. Not that he wanted to be with this young lady, he just wanted documents. Like, such people pisses me off. Like, oh my God, you know what? I just thank God that she didn't fall for that. And I also understand why she didn't tell her sister, because obviously it was wrong taking money from strangers. And this can be also a lesson or a message to young women out there. It doesn't matter what you're going through, but doing that thing of like going to marry someone so that they can take care of you, so that they can take you to school, don't do it. Don't do it. It is not worth it, because there will be a time whereby now you want to get married, you cannot get married. And to divorce that man, he makes sure that it becomes almost impossible for you to do that. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this video?